Research indicates a strong link between sleep disorders and type 2 diabetes, in particular between a gene associated with melatonin metabolism and the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Melatonin is the primary hormone of the pineal gland, and evidence suggests that disturbances of melatonin production may affect insulin levels. Melatonin is essential for maintaining normal circadian rhythms, or the sleep-wake cycle. Supplemental melatonin improves sleep quality for those with age-related decline in this hormone. Supplemental melatonin can also help reestablish a normal circadian sleep rhythm in those suffering from disturbed sleep patterns due to jet lag, shift work, or delayed sleep phase syndrome. It is also helpful for disturbed sleep patterns in people who are blind, and cases relating to depression, Alzheimer's disease, benzodiazepine, and nicotine withdrawal. Melatonin also has antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-proliferative, and pro-apoptotic effects, which could offer benefits for cancer of the breast, prostate, lung, colon, and rectum, liver, cervix, and brain. In addition, melatonin may lower LDL and total cholesterol levels and have an immunomodulatory and hypotensive effect. A therapeutic dose of melatonin ranges between 1 and 10 milligrams, depending on the individual. Doses commonly used in studies are around 3 milligrams, and melatonin used for sleep enhancement is usually well tolerated. Mild adverse effects may occur, including headaches, transient depressive symptoms, fatigue, confusion, drowsiness, mild tremor, mild anxiety, dizziness, and abdominal cramps. Melatonin is for adult use only, unless directed otherwise by a physician. It should not be used during pregnancy or while breastfeeding, nor by anyone taking immunosuppressive drugs or with the condition scleroderma. A physician should be consulted prior to the use of melatonin by anyone with a hormonal disorder, diabetes, liver or kidney disease, cerebral palsy, seizure disorders, migraines, depression, or hypertension, or by anyone taking antihypertensive medications, sedatives, or hypnotic medications. As melatonin and the overall sleep support formula may cause drowsiness, people should not drive or use machinery for at least 5 hours after taking this product. As always, anyone considering the use of melatonin should assess all known interactions and contraindications. The most prevalent of these include isolated reports of minor bleeding and decreased prothrombin activity in people taking melatonin with warfarin. Impaired glucose utilization and decreased insulin resistance have also been reported with the use of melatonin by those with diabetes. Results from human studies are mixed, but it would be wise to closely monitor blood glucose levels. In addition, melatonin can decrease the effectiveness of nifedipine GITS monotherapy in the modulation of blood pressure and may have an adverse interaction with medications for improving sleep.